Hi friends, my name is Sanjay Jain and I am from Syscon Group of Industries. We deal in the hydraulics, pneumatics, automations. The company is established since 1995 and we majorly deal in all the hydraulics product, automation systems and hydraulic power pack system integration. We are having a distributorship of multinational companies like Parker and Evan, Bodily Power Sheetley, and majority part is the system integration in this case. The major category what we service is like the major portion is the trading of the authorization of trading of the product, that is hydraulics, pneumatics, distributorship of that parts. The second is the system integration. We build a hydraulic power pack with and a system with the different products and everything. And the third, our vertical is the service industries. We offer services, on-site services as well as in our service center. Our company and office is located at Vatva GIDC Ahmedabad. Our service center is also located there. We offer services of all the hydraulic product with assembly, testing, with authorization for the particular company and everything. As you know that in today's scenario, we have to be updated with the system, our old records, our future forecasting, and I understand that without any proper business solution or a system, it is not possible to have this integration and ready-made solution, ready-made data available with us, so that we can forecast or have a vision in our business. For example, I am using the Datanode software since last 3 years, and before that I was also the same software in a shuffle version that also I was using. And previous to that, we were not using any software for our sales force and everything, sales data and sales backup or our supply and dispatch systems. But slowly as the business grows, we found that it is must required to have a good system which help us to have our total solution in a one desktop or one system itself. That is what we wanted in today's business scenario. So since I am using this software since last 3 years, my all the data are on my desktop. I can see what will be my forecast, what is my past since last 2 or 3 years. All the data systems are available, my product is available, and what are the repeat order, what are the repeat customers, and what are the chances of having a new customers also. So I can concentrate on my segment wise business that I want to, I am strong on this business, I want to increase the business on this thing. This is what I can do it. And today's requirement, it is a must to have any of the software, any of the ERP system which help you to give the records of your system. Your business system process is become simpler. All your flow from starting from the lead generation to inquiry to order to execution to quality control and dispatch and payment itself. The earlier requirement of the business was only a tally or some financial software to keep the things, but now it is not like that. Now it is a must requirement to have a complete solution with us, and which I am getting fulfilling with my ERP system, and I suggest it is required. The important thing is in ERP is the only thing is implementation. So implementation has to be done. As soon as you complete your implementation, it will give you the value, and it will give you a value return immediately out of it. So one of the important benefit is we can say, as compared to the previous one or the other one, that the system has a very good data privacy. We can have individual data users, either salesperson or account person or finance person or even stores also, so that it is accessible to a only concerned user and concerned sales department only. So that helps us, even in the sales department, we can have individual users and they can have access of their own sales work and sales leads only. That helped us, and only admin and company level it is accessible and can check that. One of the more advantage which I understand, which is in my profile, that being a director, I used to stay in my overseas office and home also. One of home and office is in USA. I can access my data sitting over there, and I can see updated real-time data at any moment, because it's a web-based system. This is what I can understand. So this is the way it is. What I understand that this type of system, as I told you again earlier, that any system is required for the your data and your business also. This is a business solution. It is a process continuously. It is not a person oriented. It is a process oriented system. So we recommend that now in a business, everyone should have their own ERP system or their own database, so that they can see the future also. Then why not Datanaut? Because say we are happy with the Datanaut because we are in the engineering industries. There are many examples I have seen in the other industries also. So even if it is a system integration, service oriented business or a process manufacturing process, we can compile from, as I said to you, from the end to quality to dispatch and payment also. So for sure, this is one of the good system which I recommend it to my friends also and those who are in this type of industries. Okay, thank you.